We are live on YouTube and Pilled.
Hey everybody, are you ready? Let's go.
It's a bit tricky getting two live streams going at the same time. See what's on flight radar and star tracking. Oh, let's have I've already got it open. Oh no, it's just playing up just silly buggers. That's going really slow. It's all good. We've got a load of gliders up at the moment in Christchurch. I'd be interested to see if I could see any of those. There was a lot more up than that before. It was like twice as many. But I think there'd be little specks of white in the sky if you could get on the cameras. But yeah, there we go. The sun's heading towards sunset in another 2 hours, I think. I don't think that's meant to be open. Yeah, it's coming together. We got lots running. Yes, I don't have any people watching on Pilled. What we're doing today. And to see what happens, I guess. There's all the cameras. You can see it's a nice sunny day. And you can see we're getting some lens flare. Although these ones got water in their cameras and I repaired them. But I think some of my sealant managed to... Oh look, we got a bird or something there, is it? You should be able to zoom in on it. Doesn't quite work though. How do you zoom downwards? Is that a blackbird there? Where's he disappeared to? He took off, did he? Thought we had something to look at then. So that's a bit smudgy at the moment until the sun goes further around. But we're really interested in this part of the sky here. That's looking north. Oh, there he is. Coming out of the dark there. And he's gone again. And that's looking west. So the other camera's around the corner here. And you can see this camera almost. How's the audio? I forgot to check. Microphone working? Looks like at this end. So yeah, it's quite warm today. Summer is almost here. That's looking out of the bedroom window, master bedroom, through a bay window. And you can see the reflections off the window that we get with the sun. So the reason to have that camera there is it's behind windows, so if anyone interferes with the other cameras, they're going to be captured on that one. Out looking south, got someone walking around the edge there. Again, nice clear sky there. car coming along. And you can see there's a slight motion delay there. But that one's coming over Wi-Fi, so that's not too bad. And we got a lot of happening on the internet now. We had a good contrail the other day. Went right across the sky here. So we're about to watch it until the sun sets. There, it looks like the clouds have parted. This is my dual lens camera. It's very good at seeing stars. And we can turn on the audio. And you can hear background noises there. Wind, I think I can hear. So on maximum volume, probably not. Oh, yeah, it is, I think. Can hear cars in the distance and some people. So it's very sensitive, so we should be able to hear anything come through that if we want to. But yeah, where we can see gliders is another thing. 4K, non-fisheye. It's looking quite good. And we got the remote control one with optical zoom. And you can see the wind's getting up a bit there. And you can see birds in the tree 20 meters away. And look at that definition there. That's a wee bit slow though with this software. They said they're going to look at improving the speed of it. Look at that. Pretty good, eh? Still can get a bit more. Beats the crappy blurfo UFOs you get on other channels. Yeah, wind's tossing the camera a wee bit around there. As the tripod's anchored down, but we do get quite gusty winds here across the Canterbury Plains. Yeah, it's a wee bit. I'm not sure if it's a mouse issue here, or just because we're streaming to two places now. I know it was a wee bit slow even with streaming to YouTube. So let's pan it around. And there's the sun. That's looking good. Lots of lens flares there. So let's just zoom into that. This is probably where the gliders will be. We might be able to see reflections. As long as it stays in focus. Looks like there's some cloud there. Look, there was a flash here, so maybe that was a glider there. So probably need to check the browser map. Oh. I think that's too big there, is it? So we can control it with the web page here too, running at the same time. But yeah, it might be these gliders here that we're seeing. Want some big commercial jet to focus on. So we've got these little hang gliders here. doing loop-de-loops all around the place. I'll just zoom in a bit on that. So there's the Waimak River. So that looks like a tow plane though, that one. Glider. Slightly in the way there, alien. Just move him out the way. Scanning the skies, see what we get. What we got the cloud cover at the moment. I'm not sure if that's current. Let's just reload it. So we had this big cloud come over. So at the moment we've got a gap. There we are, there's the gap. We've got this light cloud still in the way. Yeah. We shouldn't be in darkness. What's going on? 3 p.m. Why is it in the dark there? Normally, when the sun goes down, it doesn't go to infrared, but it looks like it's gone to infrared mode. Well, anyway, that shows you the cloud as well. And looks like we're pretty clear for Weewell anyway. So we'll see how that goes. The moon's at 48% light. So when does that come up? Let's see. Sunrise early in the morning and disappears by 6 p.m. That's 3 p.m. now. So time the sun disappears, the moon disappears as well, which is bad because we really want a full moon for sky watching because it illuminates everything a lot better. At the moment the sun's heading towards the horizon to the west and will disappear probably in a couple of hours, 3 hours probably. And all the different planets. Sun, what's it say there? Yep. Same as the moon. Although I don't know if that's current. Let's reload it, just make sure. Okay, what's it say now? So it sets at 6 p.m. Must be old. Let's reload that one then. I've got to always make sure reload just in case. Sunrise 6 a.m. Oh yeah. Current time. No, it's the same there. Oh no, I was reading the sun. Oh, that's got the sun on it as well. We want the moon. Oh right, here we go. Moon sets at 10:22 a.m. and doesn't show its head till 2 a.m. in the morning. According to that one. It's not what it said there though, was it? I don't think it's taken. Right, it hasn't taken into account daylight savings. I mean, one of them's got it wrong. That's 1 hour out. Stupid thing.